And a lot of athletes to come. Samuel Curtis now, 30 years of age, from Ireland. Another athlete that we haven't seen a lot of on the international circuit. Hasn't made a final before, so in fact, he's only made one World Cup semi-final before, so this is a big experience for Samuel Curtis. Doing a lot wrong, just had that gate touch on gate 14, but split time is well down on Lucien Delfour. He's going to be well and truly over the 92nd. He's going to be pushing up towards the 100-second mark, is he? Let's have a look. Oh, and a gate touch on 21. That's going to be problematic as well. There he goes, 98